Hey guys, this is Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and this is Toddler Time. It's an early literacy program for our littlest learners birth to 2.5. So here we go. Let's get started. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we clap and sing hello. Good job. Now we're going to wave. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we wave and sing hello. Good job. And now we're going to stomp our feet. Here we go. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we stomp and sing hello. Good job. Welcome, everybody. All right. This is my new favorite finger play. We're working on all of our fine motor skills, getting ready for when we are ready to pick up a pencil, pick up a marker, start drawing and writing. So, and it's also a great counting rhyme. Here we go. I have 1, I have 2, I have 3 little fingers, I have 4, I have 5, I have 6 little fingers, I have 7, I have 8, I have 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers on my hands. Good job. They can wiggle, they can wiggle, they can wiggle in the morning. They can wiggle, they can wiggle, they can wiggle in the evening. They can wiggle, they can wiggle, they can wiggle in the moonlight. 10 little fingers on my hands. Good job. They can clap, they can clap, they can clap in the morning. They can clap, they can clap, they can clap. In the evening, they can clap, they can clap, they can clap. In the moonlight, 10 little fingers on my hands. Good job. They can jump, they can jump, they can jump. In the morning, they can jump, they can jump, they can jump. In the evening, they can jump, they can jump, they can jump. In the moonlight, 10 little fingers on my hands. Awesome. They can tickle, they can tickle, they can tickle. In the morning, they can tickle, they can tickle, they can tickle. In the evening, they can tickle, they can tickle, they can tickle. In the moonlight, 10 little fingers on my hands. Good job, guys. Thank you for Jay for sharing that one with us. Let's do you know this song? Maybe mom or dad or grandma or grandpa knows. Skinnamarink-dink-dink, skinnamarink-doo. We are going to read this lovely book today. It's called Love the World by Todd Parr. So I thought it would be a good idea to do a song all about love. So first, let's do skinnamarink-dink-dink. So you can put your elbow on the back of your hand and bob your hand. You guys are doing awesome. Try it with the other side. And then I point to yourself. I, hands crossed over your chest. Love, that means love you. It's sign language. I love you. Maybe you can help your baby or your toddler to do this. And then we are going to put our hands together like this. I have my fingers interlaced, and then I'm going to sing in the morning and rock back and forth. In the afternoon, it's kind of like rocking a baby, and then in the evening down by the ground, and then underneath the moon. Here's the moon. We make the moon out of our hand. Good job, guys. Here we go. Skinnamarink-dink-dink, skinnamarink-doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-dink-dink, skinnamarink-doo. I love you. Good. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skinnamarink-dink-dink, skinnamarink-doo. I love you. Good job. All right, let's read this beautiful book all about love by Love the World by Todd Parr. Love your face. Love your space. Love your nose. Where's your nose, guys? Good job. Love your toes. Can you touch your toes? job. Love your eyes. Love your size. Love your walk. Love your talk. Look what she's doing. I love you. I love you. Love giving a hand. Look, they're collecting food for people who are hungry at a food drive. Love taking a stand. Welcome, friends. Love the bees. Bzzz. Love the trees. Hey, who's living in the tree? Who do you see? Look, there are some owls. And look, there is, what's this? Do you know? It's a bat. Love your ears. Love your tears. Well, that's a tricky one because I don't think anybody wants to cry. But do you ever feel better after you cry? I think that's why that crocodile says, I feel better after the crocodile cried. Love your hair. Love your flair. Love being kind. Look, he adopted a dog from an animal shelter. Love using your mind. Look what she made. She built a robot. How many eyes does the robot have? That robot has 3 eyes. Love making art. Love sharing your heart. What did she paint? Look, she painted a heart. Like the heart. It's not shaped like the heart in our chest, but it means I love you. Love your giggle. Love your wiggle. Love your grin. Love your skin. Love the land. Love the sea. What animals do you see here? Do you see the lion? There's the lion. How about, do you see the purple elephant? There, right there's the purple elephant. How about, do you see a whale? I see a couple of whales. There's an orca whale. Love the earth. Love you and me. And that's the end, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.